guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is raspberry cream cake. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. Raspberry cream cake. So this is 200 gram of strong baker's flour, 2 tablespoons of icing sugar, 1 heaping teaspoon of double acting baking powder with tiny pinch of salt. Just mix it, and then we're gonna add in half cup of unsalted butter until coarse crumbles, and then we're gonna add in beaten egg with 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water. So just mix it, and the salt is just a pinch. So just mix it and then add in 2 tablespoons of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water, and knead until completely combined into a nice dough. Now let it rest while we prepare for the filling. Over here I have 200 grams of poppy seeds, and we're gonna grind them. Over here I have 1 package of vanilla sugar with 1 grated lemon peel, 1 tablespoon of honey, as well 105 gram of sugar. We're gonna pour our water into the pot. This is 100 milliliter, and then we're gonna bring this to boil, and once that already dissolved, the sugar dissolved and it became syrup, we're gonna stir in our fine poppy seeds. So just boil it until sugar dissolve and it's somewhat thickened. Add in the poppy seed and 3 tablespoons of raspberry jam. Just mix it again until completely combined. Now let it cool to room temperature for 5 to 8 minutes. Well, not totally room temperature, but lukewarm, not boiling hot like this, for 5 to 8 minutes. Now roll it as wide and as long your rectangular pan. Now spoon the filling or the poppy seed layer and spread it nicely. And then once it's all covered, we're gonna bake this for 20 to 25 minutes on preheated 350 Fahrenheit. 20 to 25 minutes. Take out from the oven and let it cool completely before we top it with the cream. So this is 210 gram of frozen raspberry with 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now put it into a blender or a food processor. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add in the softened gelatin and then pulse it again. Let's make the cream. This is 1 small 473 milliliter of heavy cream. I'm just using the pan where I boiled the raspberry onion. Now mix the puree to the whipped cream, and then we're gonna spread it on top of our cooked cake. Completely combine. They'll change in colors nicely, and then we're gonna spread it. Now spread and then chill for at least 3 hours before slicing. Now chill for at least 3 hours.